Hi there, welcome to our series of ALBA Scots Trad Music Awards 2022 sponsor chats. Today we are speaking to Lynn Donnelly from Event of the Year sponsor Visit Scotland. Hi Lynn, how's it going?
Hi, I'm very well, thanks. Delighted to see you and delighted to be part of this.
Oh, it's brilliant. Well, tell us about Visit Scotland and what do you do?
So, Visit Scotland, well, we're the national tourism organisation for Scotland. We market Scotland to, our visitors around the world, but we also work really closely with the tourism industry in Scotland to make sure that we are helping them develop their product and develop their tourism offering for all our visitors.
Brilliant. And what are your target markets?
Well, really, anyone that wants to visit Scotland. I mean, we market all around the world. Obviously, during COVID times, our domestic visitors were really important, as they still are. You know, people in Scotland want to have a holiday in Scotland. Everyone loves our country. We really have a wide variety of target markets and audiences. But yeah, we're open to everyone. Everyone can come and visit us.
Oh, fantastic! Yeah, we're very lucky to have this. I've been talking about it a little bit on these broadcasts. You know, the soundtrack to Scotland that the music provides to the most beautiful landscapes and great cities.
Yeah, I mean we are so lucky, and that's a big part of my role. So I'm the senior responsible tourism manager at Visit Scotland, and my role is about making sure that we are protecting all our gorgeous landscapes, the beautiful assets, the amazing culture and heritage that we have in Scotland. It's about preserving and protecting them and preserving them for future generations, which is obviously key because it's everything that makes Scotland so unique and such a brilliant destination.
Absolutely. So, what is Visit Scotland's ambitions and plans for going forward in 2023?
Well, we have our Scottish tourism strategy, which is called Outlook 2030. So, the vision for that is really to support Scotland with sustainable and responsible growth. So, we have this ambition that by 2030, Scotland will be a world leader in, we call it 21st century tourism. So, we want Scotland to be one of the most economically, environmentally, and socially sustainable destinations in the world. So, we want to put ourselves on the map as really being a destination of choice for the responsible visitor. So lots of work is ongoing to make that happen at this stage. Obviously, working really closely with our industry to develop those responsible practices, but we're also looking at how we can influence the visitor to make more responsible choices when they come to Scotland. So, a lot of work through, partnerships, encouraging our visitors to arrive here by train, to follow outdoor access codes, but also really to engage and support with the local communities when they're here. So, shop local, eat in local restaurants, get to know the locals, and just making sure that tourism is spread wider than just the tourism industry. It really does impact everyone.
Oh, that is really exciting, isn't it? That is a great way forward.
Yeah, no, thank you. We are really excited about it. And when I talk about responsible tourism, a lot of people ask, "Oh, what does that actually mean?" And for me, in my role, it's just about making Scotland a better place for people to live, but also a better place for people to visit. And that's the way that we do business now at Visit Scotland. We make sure that responsible tourism is woven throughout every area of our work. So we're always thinking about how we can develop Scotland as a responsible destination.
Oh, amazing. Well, I'm really excited to see how the next few years pan out as well. That is really great.
Thank you.
So, to finish up, obviously it's the 20th anniversary, well, the 20th year of the ALBA Scots Trad Music Awards, and I know you're coming. What are you looking forward to most about the night?
I am so excited to be coming to the awards. So this is my first time I'll have been at the awards, even though Visit Scotland has supported for a number of years. For me, it's such a brilliant event. I've heard it's such a brilliant event. It's been a really challenging couple of years for events and tourism, obviously. So I'm delighted that we're supporting the event of the year. I can't wait to see everyone together in the room, and we're just really excited to be back at a live event to be supporting it, and making sure that we're helping this continue.
Well, brilliant. Well, look, if people want to find out more about the work of Visit Scotland, go to visitscotland.com. Loads of great material there, how you can come to Scotland and just find out lots about the culture and everything that's going on. It's a great website. And if you want to find out more about the Scottish Trad Music Awards, go to scottistradmusicawards.com. So thanks very much, Lynn, and we'll see you at the weekend.
Thanks so much. Bye.
Cheers.